So I'm a horrible mother, and it was Loki's birthday yesterday. If you guys don't know Loki, she is my dog, and she turned 2, so she's technically 14 years old, right, for dog years? Yeah. Also, I got my nails done. Ooh, fancy, so cute. But I thought we would celebrate her birthday, so I'm gonna go to H-E-B and grab a steak, and we're gonna cook her a steak, because what dog doesn't like steak? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go to H-E-B, which I might not film inside because I feel weird taking this camera with me, but close up eye. We are where I was trying to do. Where? Zoom faster. We're here. Dude, zoom sucks on this camera. What the heck? I also parked the farthest away that I could because I'm scared of parking next to cars. So we're really far, but it's okay. I need my steps anyways. I got the goods. I got this, wait, hold up. I got this beef sirloin tri-tip steak. I don't know. It was cheap. It's only like $6 and you get 4 of them. Of course, I'm not gonna give her all of them. I'm probably just gonna make one of them today. I might make 2 actually, so I can give her one tomorrow, and then the other 2, I don't know, maybe I should just cook them all. To be honest, I'll probably just cook them all and then feed her it throughout the week. But let's go home and get cooking. Loki, I got you steak.
Who's excited for some steak? Who's excited for some steak? Yeah, you excited for some steak? Yeah.
We got the pan. That is a little bit dirty. We got the pan. Spray that bad boy on, turn on the stove. Boom, now we're cooking. Okay, so we have to wait for the stove to warm up, of course, but we're gonna make her some steak. I'm only giving her 1 piece right now, but we're gonna cook them all, and then she can eat them throughout the week. She's so excited. She's so excited, gonna love them. I also bought candles when it was my birthday, so I'm like, what if we stick candles in the steak and then give it to her? I think it's gonna be so cute, so we're totally doing that. Oh my gosh, this lighting is atrocious, but while the stove is heating up, I thought we would take a little poo-poo break. Also, don't leave your stove unattended like this, but it's okay. There's not gonna be a fire. Hopefully I'm not like foreshadowing something, to be honest. Guys, this lighting makes me look so ugly. Anyways, I went outside, she didn't even poop, but I think the stove is warm, so let's cook these babies up. Also, yes, I'm not seasoning it because I'm giving it to my dog who shouldn't eat seasoning, so let's put this puppy on. Oh, look at that sizzle. I think we can do 2 at a time, so let's put another. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. Low-key, I'm lazy to sit here and make all 4, so I'm just gonna stuff all 4 into the pan. Oh, that one's not fitting. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Who said you can't fit 4 steaks in 1 pan? Boom. Guys, why does it look so gross? Ew. Why is it all fatty? Ew. Okay, guys, we're gonna flip it and see if they look gross or not. I don't even know if, oh my gosh. This is going wrong. Oh yeah. Okay, I mean, they don't look horrible, you know? I just don't know why there's like bits of fat everywhere. Ugh. Okay, I'm not eating this, so it's okay. Low-key, I don't know when they're supposed to be done, so I'm just gonna cut into them, but I don't have a knife because all my knives are in the mess of dishes I have to do, which you're not gonna look at, but should I use a pizza cutter? Guys, the pizza cutter's not working. Oh my gosh, it's working! Guys, the pizza cutter's working. Okay, we're just gonna, just gonna cut it in half. Hold on. Hold on, guys, I gotta put you down. Ow, ow, okay, hold on. Okay, we got a spatula. Oh my gosh, guys, it's working. Oh, who said you can't pizza cut a steak? It looks done. It looks done. It looks done. Okay, I took out the leftover steak so she can eat that. I'm gonna let it cool down though outside. And then I have 1 steak which I did not cut because I want to put candles in and all that, and then I'll cut it for her. But let's do her birthday celebration. We have to find a plate, but I don't know if I want to use like my actual plates. I could give her her bowl, but her bowl is full of her food that she didn't eat. So I might just throw this away and then get her some steak. Okay, cleaned her bowl. Now let's get this steak up in here. Here we go. That in. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. And then we have the, where'd the candles go? Where did I put the, here are the candles. Here, we got some candles. I don't know if these are gonna stick, but we will try. She's turning 2, so I feel like we should just add 2. So let's get a yellow and a pink one. Or is this red? I don't know, but let's stick these in. Oh no, they're sticking in. They're sticking in. It's beautiful. Get my lighter. Okay, we got a lighter. Light this baby up. Oh, is my lighter dead? No, this is the worst time for it to die. Are you kidding me? I'm getting wax on it, but happy. Oh my gosh, focus, guys. It's not focusing and there's wax getting on the steak. Guys, look at the wax on the steak. I'm gonna scrape that off, but happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Loki. Okay, blow it out, blow it out. I'm gonna blow it out for you. Woo! Happy birthday, Loki. My number 2 baby. Oh no, look at the wax. Okay, we gotta scrape it off. Okay, I wiped off the wax and I'm just cutting it into some slices so she can eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, time for her to eat.
Enjoy, my little baby.
Here we go. So there we have it. We made Loki a steak for her birthday and she has so many leftovers, but I'm gonna clean this up now. But I hope you guys enjoyed me making steak for Loki. It's her special little birthday. But yeah, if you guys have any more weird video ideas, let me know because I'll do them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. So I was gonna end it here, but I totally forgot that I bought car things because I was gonna make a car vlog, never did. But I was like, you know what? Let's go test all these car items that I got because I still haven't used them and they've been sitting here for months. Dirty. Also, it's so hot today. I don't even know what the temperature is. I'm doing this quick because I'm not even turning the car on because there's no point. Also, oh my gosh, is that a good angle? I don't know. Anyways, so the first thing I have is this cowboy disco thing. I don't know how this is gonna work because like, won't I be blinded? How do I put this on? Oh, like that. How do I wait, it's not fitting. Also, wouldn't I be blinded by this because of the sparkles? But it's not really working, so I guess I'll be fine. But if I get in a car crash, guys, it's because I'm blind. Guys, this is literally not getting on. What? There's a car driving by and I feel weird. Do you guys see that? Oh, they just left. Okay. Okay, I untied it because I think this is the only way for me. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a heat stroke, guys. I'm doing this as quick as possible. I don't really want it to dangle that much, so I'm gonna keep it like, yay. Oh my gosh, it has little hairs. Here it is. Isn't it cute? She cute. Okay, so we have that, and then I also got some coasters for my cup holders because, oh my gosh, I had this Starbucks coffee a while ago. Never took it out of my car, totally my fault, but it got all disgusting. Also, there's 4. I only have 2 cup holders though, like right here. So let's put these bad boys in. I just got like a gray because I'm basic. Here we go. Let's put this one in. There we go. Okay, they'll be cleaner, so that's good. And then my car is very dusty because I have Loki in here most of the time because I'm, you know, taking her places. That's usually why I leave. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sweating because I'm wearing a sweater as well. Ugh. Okay. Oh, some slime. Look at this. Also, everything's from Amazon. Oh, that was anticlimactic because I thought there'd be slime. I just did my makeup too, and now it's gonna sweat off. Look at that. Oh, okay. Let's see if this works. I've been wanting to try this for a while because I saw this on TikTok, and I was like, I gotta try it if this even works. So let's see if this works. Okay. Okay, this is all. Oh my gosh, it's actually. I don't know how to clean this though, but I think it's working. Like we're getting in the crevices, you know. Getting the dust off. Does it work amazingly? I don't think so, but hey, it's something. Look at that. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'm just like dragging it. I think it's doing something. Oh guys, I think the Texas summer has started because I am dying out there. Anyways, I think that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I don't really know how long this is gonna be, but I hope you guys enjoyed me cooking Loki a steak and me putting in some car decorations. I thought I had more car decorations, but I guess I did not order that many, so I'm glad I did not make that one video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And if you guys want to see me do anything stupid, I'll do it. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!